What's up, guys? So if you guys are wondering whether it's really bad out here, now I gotta go make a diaper run. So check this out. So you guys can see it's really cold, so you need the really right protection for this weather. Now, take a look. This is Jersey City right now. Absolutely brutal. You can actually see that the street's really covered. Careful. Have a good one. You can see Now, if you're asking me, how am I out here in a blizzard? Well, that comes with the gear that I have. I have the VOLTHEAT AVAlanche gloves. These are awesome. And also, I have the VOLTHEAT Summit jacket. This is an absolute godsend in this weather. You cannot ask for better heat protection than the VOLTHEAT brand. Now, if you're looking for this stuff, you can go to VOLTHEAT.com, and don't forget to get 10% off by using code VOLTHEAT10. Check this out. as you see the streets, there's nobody in the streets right now. And these are the driving conditions. Two cars out here. Brutal. Look at that. I don't know if he's gonna make it. Okay, let's see. Got the diapers. Awesome. This will hold us for a couple days. Alright, let's pay for this stuff and head home. It's crazy out here, people. Alright, so if you take a look, this is Jersey City right now. I don't even know what time it is, but everywhere you look, cars are absolutely stuck. He should have stayed in his condo, but you see how everything here is really beautiful. Everything's closed. All of the shopping centers are closed in this area. Best Buy's probably closed. CVS is going to close. But it's a veritable winter wonderland right now. And if you don't have to go out, don't. But I'm absolutely perfect with my Volt heat gear. Plus, and I have really hot heat. So it has a 0-layer system, heat in the front of the jacket, heat in the back. I'm going to button up so I can show you guys. Yeah, front wheel drive right now. You can see it's really, really bad. She's not going anywhere. Gonna need a running start. But as you can see, it's really, really bad out here. Shopping centers, stores are closed. Alright, let's head home. You need an all-wheel drive vehicle, my friend. Okay, so if you take a look, it's absolutely mesmerizing and beautiful, but it's pretty cold out here. It's rough terrain to walk through. Streets are not done. You can see here that absolutely treacherous. Now the light rail in Jersey City is still running, so that's good news, but most of these streets are impassable, and it's quite improbable that you're going to go anywhere. So don't drive, be smart. If you have to, check and see if your local stores are open, because most of them are closed right now, and you're not going to be able to get what you think you're going to get. But everything is stopped, and this is literally just the beginning. Now I'm quite cozy here. I'm actually sweating under here. I have my Volt Heat Summit jacket. It's a 5-volt system. It's made for winter, just like this. It's actually too warm. The AVAlanche gloves with the Summit jacket, absolutely perfect. So if you're gonna go and look for the proper heat protection, you're going to want to go to www.voltheat.com and make sure you put VOLTHEAT 10 at checkout for 10% off. Wow. Brutal. Look at this. We are under siege, folks, and this is just the beginning. Look at this car stuck. And in case you want to know what camera am I shooting with, well, it's none other than the GoPro Hero 9. It's phenomenal. I also have the media mod, so this is a real weather test of the GoPro Hero 9 with the media mod. So if you can't hear me, well, we're going to try something better after this. So take a look. Really good. Well, at least we have food trucks for all the workers out here. If you're looking for food in Jersey City or Exchange Place, well, you got food trucks. Well, let's get wrapped up and I'll show you exactly what's going on. And we are almost home, folks. That's not nice. And we are home. A ride that usually takes 4 minutes took about an hour. It's brutal. Stay inside. Well, that's gonna do it. We're gonna go upstairs to get some food, some soup, watch some movies, and relax. Streets in Jersey City right now are not done. It's not like they can do it. It's hard to keep up with the amount of snow that's coming, and we'll see in a little bit. See you guys later.